Hey everybody.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Keith.
And this is Story Time with Dad. So Dad, tell me your favorite show and tell of when you were a little boy.
Well, this story is going to be from 2nd grade. I don't remember what year that was, so it was a while ago. But anyway, I decided to take to show and tell a pair of my dad's handcuffs, an old pair, because he was a state trooper. So show and tell time came. The teacher said, "Who has anything?" So I raised my hand. And she said, "Well, come on up here." And I said, "All right." And she wanted me to demonstrate it. So I did. And I put the handcuffs on a classmate. And then I had the key and I undid them and everything was fine. But later then, at recess, one of the kids wanted to see it again. So I locked another classmate up to the swing set leg. And recess was over and the teacher said, "Well, okay, now unlock him." I said, "But I don't have the key." Well, see, let this be a lesson to you. First of all, don't lie to your teacher because she's going to call your dad. And when your dad comes to unlock them handcuffs that he gave you the key for, you're going to get spanked. And that's what happened. Dad says, "Well, why didn't you unlock him?" I said, "Because I thought it was funny." The spanking wasn't funny though, folks. But that's a show and tell story for you.
And kids, please take these helpful hints to heart and
don't
do
lie
not
to
lie,
your teacher.
Or don't lie at all.
Or your mom. They're probably homeschooling you right now.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.